Hi everyone! A nice abbreviation about brother. B for best friend. R for remarkable. B for best friend. R for remarkable. O for outstanding. T for teacher. O for outstanding. T for teacher. H for helper. H for helper. E for entertainment. Sometimes we are be jolly with our brothers. Then they are become a part of our entertainment. R responsible. Whenever we are in any saddest moment or any need any help at that time, a responsible person. Whenever we do some wrong works as a teacher, brother also help us. Outstanding. Nobody will compare with our brother. Are remarkable. Why become? Every time a brother is remarkable for me. I think so. Everyone. Also, if all these qualities are there, then that brother naturally a best friend. The abbreviation of a brother is extraordinary. Our respected Abdul Kalam sir quote. Nice one.